Hello brothers and sisters, today I want to show you my latest timepiece. As you see, this is an Audemars Piguet or Audemars Piguet. I hope I pronounce it well. And let's unbox it. This is a used watch from 2016, so not the old version but not brand new. So you see the AP outer green box, little signs everywhere. It's a nice paper box. Okay, and the inner wooden box, what is really amazing, really high class. You see the wood texture in beautiful green color, little golden pushers. And let's open it. Okay, you press that and you open it, and voila, here is the watch. Alright, so you see the tag made of leather, and here's the timepiece. Very high quality leather inner parts, very good to touch, very high-end luxury feelings. So this is the inner box, and we will get back to the booklets soon, but first let's talk about the timepiece. And I hope it will zoom. Alright, so AP Royal Oak Offshore chronograph, stainless steel case, ceramic bezel with a rubber strap. I changed it to this light blue strap. This is an original AP rubber band, because I think it's match this watch. Really cool. Isn't it beautiful? Chronograph, as you see. So there are two pushers, start and stop, and the reset pusher. If you press, you see the chronograph, second hand, start, it's running, and there is a minute counter, and at the bottom there is the hour counter. It can measure 12 hours, and at the top of the dial there is a sub dial that measures the second, but not the chronograph. That is the second hand of the watch itself. Alright, and if you push it, it will stop and you can reset back to basic stand. It's not a flyback, so that's not too clever if you push the reset without stopping the chronograph, because that may broke the mechanism. Alright, here is the crown. The crown is made from ceramic too. That's why it is very strong. And as the bezel too, you may know that it is very scratch resistant. Easy to operate. It's a big watch and an elegant crown. You can hand win the watch with the crown, of course, and pull out date, pull 2, we'll move the hand. I don't wanna set the time because this is the actual time I am wearing the watch, since I have it. We push it back. Screw in and it's done. So this is it. Stainless steel case, but it feels not too heavy. Maybe because of the besel is ceramic, and as you know, the ceramic material is very light. Okay. Anyway, this is the black rubber strap for it, but I think this blue is cooler. There is the movement I try to show you. Self-winding, in-house movement of course. 50 hours power reserve, 365 elements in the movement. The watch is 100 meter water resistant. And finally, these kind of APs has a see-through case back, so you can see the movement. The rotor is white gold if I knew well. I would maybe keep the older version, the yellow gold rotor, but this is cool. And now let's see a wrist check. Here we go. This is a really amazing badass watch. What is huge, 44 millimeter the case, but with those pushers it looks much bigger, but it's very comfortable. It hugs my wrist perfectly, so it's very good. And the watch is not too tall, so maybe under a shirt it can work too. Okay, and this AP has some super aluminum on the hand and the sides. Let's see how it works. It is not charged by any LED lamp or anything. We will see how strong it is. Look at that. Definitely not bad. I think it's a perfect luxury way. Alright, because it's nearly 10 minutes now, I won't show the bucklets. Those are only papers. The main thing is this watch. I hope you liked it. See you later.